A majority of hotels and restaurants in Shivamogga in Karnataka are expected to either close down or scale down the menu from March 12 following a disruption in the supply of commercial gas cylinders in the wake of conflict in West Asia involving Israel, US and Iran. According to reports of various media outlets, Bangalore Hotels Association, representing hundreds of eateries and restaurants across the city, announced on March 9 that hotels and restaurants will be forced to cease kitchen operations from March 10 due to commercial LPG cylinder supply being hit. The halt stems from closure of key oil route Strait of Hormuz by Iran since March 1st, disrupting 60% of India's LPG imports amid a West Asia war. The abrupt shutdown threatens to leave thousands of daily wage workers, students and senior citizens and hospital patients without access to affordable cooked meals. The uncertainty over LPG cylinder availability has forced operators of restaurants in Hyderabad to rethink kitchen operations, reduce the number of dishes prepared and ration available gas supplies to keep outlets running for as long as possible. Many hotels in Mumbai, Chennai, Lucknow and Delhi have also announced an impact on their operations due to disruption in LPG supplies.